Hi, Carly. How's your geology report?
Hi, Carlos. Fine. How was work? Boy, you're covered in dust.
Cutting Indiana limestone is a dirty job.
Why is it called Indiana Limestone?
Because it's limestone that's found in and around Indiana.
How did it get here?
Millions of years ago, our state was underwater.
Wow, underwater.
The sea was full of life. As generations died off, their remains settled in with the earth, gradually forming the type of rock known as Indiana limestone. Today, we cut it from the earth and we use it to make buildings all over the United States.
Indiana Limestone's important.
Yeah, it provides jobs for our state's residents.
Like you.
Yep.
Okay, Carlos, thanks.
Well, I need a shower and you need to finish your report.
I'm gonna write my report on Indiana Limestone, but I don't want Indiana Limestone on my report.